Hi guys, let's calculate how long it will take a total beginner to be a successful crypto or forex trader. Now I'm going to categorize this in forms of stages and how long it will take you in each stage, like to finish each stage. Stage 1 is the learning stage. Learning stage will take you anywhere between 1 month to 6 or 5 months. 1 month to 6 months, let's put it that way. That's learning phase. Now I know some people say like it's too long, because already how people paint social media in your head is you can just come and make and get rich quick and make quick money. That's not how it works. You have to learn. So stage 1 for me is the learning phase, which most traders fail to even pass through. That's why they end up coming into trading, and then they will see trading is a scam, they will run, because they did not even start trading with knowledge. They don't even have the knowledge of what they are doing. So if they lose money, they will leave trading and they will see trading is a scam. Stage 2 is the practice stage. This is where you are going to practice what you learn in stage 1, the strategy you learned. This is where you are going to practice it, and you are going to do demo trading. In stage 2, you are going to be backtesting, and you are going to be taking your trades in demo account. This should not take you anything less than 1 to 3 months. 1 to 3 months, you are applying that strategy you learn on a demo account or paper trading, anyone you want to call it, right? You'll be trading with demo money. Up next, we have the stage 3. In stage 3, you are going to deposit a little amount. You'll be taking trade with your real money. You are going to be taking trade with low risk. This phase is to teach you the psychology of market. In stage 2, you are using demo account. It's different feeling when you are trading with your real account. So I will advise you in stage 3, put in real money, no matter how little it is, and then apply low risk on that account. You should do that. You should trade on that account for nothing less than 1 to 6 months. 1 to 6 months. 6 months. That's what I said. You trade anything between 1 to 6 months. It all depends on how the confidence you have, even when you start trading with that real account, right? So this phase is going to teach you more of trading psychology, the psychological aspect of trading, because trading is more of psychology than any gra you think you can come and do in the market, right? Trading is more psychological than you think. Now putting real money will make you to have emotions. So when you make profits, you will feel it. When you lose money, you will feel it. So it's in this stage that you should find your edge and how to have a good trading psychology, right? Don't allow the market to move you anyhow, to control you. Be the one to control the market, right? How do you control the market? Is not allowing the market to make you trade outside your trading rules. Then you know that okay, you have an edge over the market, right? Don't allow you lose, then you start crying. You make profit, then you start being happy. No, if you make money, it's just another day in the market. If you lose money, it's just another day in the market. And make that psychological aspect of you to be in check. And then we have stage 4. Stage 4 is called the mastery stage, right? It's called the mastery stage. Now there's no timeline in mastery stage, right? It's something that will be there forever. So in this stage 4 is where you should be looking to scale, to scale your account, right? To make more money from the market. Mind you, even in stage 3, I said trade with real accounts but with low risk. So stage 4, which is the mastery stage, by then your psychology is in check. You know what you are doing in the market. Then you can start scaling up your account to be making money like your favorite crypto or forex mentors, right? Not the fake ones, so the ones that are actually making money from the market. Then you start making money like them, because they are your mentors. You are looking up to them. At the end of the day, anything you would do is like a replication of them, right? You are looking up to them. So by then you should be able to have that confidence they're having. You should be able to be making a lot of money from the market. But mind you, each stages and the timeline I gave is my own opinion, right? It is not a fix. There's no fixed time. It's just my own opinion, right? From where I think the minimum should be and the maximum in each phases. So mind you, everything I said here is my own opinion, and how I what works for me is what I'm advising you. Trading will take you time to learn, but at the end of the day, you are going to enjoy it, and it's going to pay off, right? So you guys should be safe out there. Thank you.